Hi beautiful people, in today's video we're going to be making a waffle stitch, and in my future video I'll be showing you how to use that stitch to make a dress. This tutorial is currently ongoing and I'll upload it soon, but today's main focus is to make a waffle stitch. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into today's tutorial. So to begin, you're going to use any yarn of your choice and the recommended hook for that yarn. So for right now I'm just using 3.5mm crochet hook and a regular acrylic yarn. So you're going to start your foundation chain with a multiple of 3 plus 2. The 2 extra chains will be your turning chain. So I'm going to just chain up 12 plus 2, which is 14. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 12 plus my 2 extra stitches, and that's 14. So to begin, you're going to skip the first 2 stitches, and into the 3rd stitch you're going to make a double crochet. Okay, so your foundation stitch will be a double crochet stitch. So just keep making double crochets until you reach the end of your work. And currently I'm working at the back part of my foundation chain. So this is the front part and this is the back. I'm just working into the bumps, right, to make my work neat like this. So just keep doing that until you reach the end of the row. So now that we are done with our foundation chains and our first row, we're just going to chain 2. And for our second row, when you turn your work, you're going to make double crochet into the first stitch right here. So yarn over and make a double crochet into that first stitch. Then into your second stitch, instead of making a double crochet into the stitch itself, you're just going to go around the body of your work. Then make your double crochet like you would normally do. And that's how you make a front post double crochet. Then into the next 2 stitches, you're going to make a double crochet each. Double crochet and another double crochet. Then into your next work, you're going to do another front post double crochet. So instead of going into the stitch itself, you're going to go behind the body of your double crochet and just make a normal double crochet as you would. Okay, so just keep doing that. 2 normal double crochets and 1 front post double crochet. Then you're going to end your work with a double crochet. Okay, so this is what the first row looks like. We're just going to chain 2, turn our work, and this second part is what is going to give you the waffle stitch look. So this is the front part of your waffle stitch and this is the back part. Okay, so to do the back part, we're going to make 1 front post like we did, right? Into this part like this. Then into this stitch. When you look at it from here, it was a front post. So into the front post, you make a normal double crochet, right? Then into the normal double crochets, you make 2 front posts. So a front post double crochet 1, and into the next one, a front post double crochet 2. Like that. Then we see that our next stitch here is a front post double crochet from the previous row. So you're just going to make a normal double crochet into it. So that's basically the pattern for this one. You're going to make front post double crochets into the normal double crochet of the previous row, and you're going to make a normal double crochet into the front post double crochet of the previous row. So this is what the back looks like. This is what the front is starting to look like. Okay, so just chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work, and now into the stitch you're going to make a normal double crochet, then into this stitch you make a front post double crochet. Then we're going to do 2 double crochets, then a front post, you have to be careful so you don't miss a stitch, because right now I just missed a stitch, which is this one. So just make a double crochet, another double crochet, then you make a front post double crochet, and your front post double crochets should line up with the previous front post double crochet. Okay, then you make 2 normal double crochets, then a front post double crochet, then you end the row with a double crochet. So as you can see, the waffle stitch is forming out little by little. Then you're going to chain 2, and for your row 5 you're going to repeat your row 3 pattern, which starts with a front post double crochet, 1 normal double crochet, 2 front rows, double crochet, normal 1, and then a 2 front post double crochet. All you need to remember is that for the front part of your work, you're going to make only 1 front post and 2 regulars. Then for the back part of your work, you're going to make 2 front posts and 1 regular. So just basically the reverse of the front part of your work. All right, and see, this is how your waffle stitch starts forming. Right, you keep repeating that pattern and you get something like this, right? Because you can see the front part of my work, I have 1 front post, 2 regular, 1 front post, 2 regular. Then for the back, I have 2 front posts, 1 regular, 2 front posts, 1 regular. And you keep repeating that and you're going to get your waffle stitch pattern just like this. So that's it, guys. This is how to make a waffle stitch pattern. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and in my future video I'll be showing you how to use this pattern to make a dress.